This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about bowl scrapers. These are typically made from a flexible plastic, and they usually have one flat edge and one that is curved. But as you can see from this little silicone one here, there's actually a variety of different designs, and they can get rather fancy. This one is meant to give you a more ergonomic hold, right? And it's a little thicker. So it never hurts to have a variety of different ones on hand, and they range in price points from being very cheap to a little more expensive, but generally a bowl scraper won't set you back that much. And they're generally used as a nice spatula basically for cleaning out your bowls when you're mixing. So if you want to scrape down the sides of a mixing bowl on your stand mixer, this is a great tool to have because you can really get down in there. And the fact that that plastic is flexible means that when you're putting pressure on it, it's really going to match up with the curve of the bowl and allow you to really clean the product off the sides, bring it to the center so that when you turn your mixer on again, you're getting a really nice even mix on your cookies, cakes, and pastries. And everybody has their own personal preferences. I tend to like the really cheap ones and use them more frequently than my fancy one that I spent more money on, in all honesty. It has a nice design, but its thickness means that it's a little harder to manipulate down in a bowl, and I end up using it for some slightly different things. These are also a great tool to have on hand when you're decorating cakes. I actually use that flat side here to help me smooth frosting and do a variety of different effects, like some of the ombre fades that I do, where I'm building up various colors of frosting on this and using it basically as a large flat spatula. So they're a cheap investment and they have a variety of uses in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.